Hey guys, this is Joe from Smokin Joe's BBQ. Today we're going to do a barbecue sampler, which is going to include a 5-pound pork butt. We're going to do 2 baby back ribs and some chicken. And we're also going to put a piece of sausage on the grill, but I can't put this all at one time, guys, because each thing takes a different time to cook. But we're going to start off with our pork butt. I've already off camera put some Heaven Made products. It's Incredible on there. I want to get down into the meat, but we're going to rub it with the rib rub from Heaven Made products. Okay, and like I said, I've already put a little bit of Incredible on there. I want to get down on the meat. This guy's going to be really good today, I'll tell you what. Between the chicken and the pork butt and those ribs and that sausage, that's a feast. It's a nice day to smoke outside today too, guys. It's about 40 degrees. Finally got some decent weather. It was supposed to rain all day today, but it didn't, thank God. Okay. That'd be good enough for now. We'll throw a little bit more on the grill when we get out there. Okay, we'll step this to the side here. And look at these baby back ribs. That's the prettiest baby back ribs I've seen in quite a while, guys. I'll tell you what, those are beautiful. We're going to start off with this other Heaven Made product, Richard's River Dirt. And we're going to start off with the all-purpose first as a pre-rub. I used this about 3 weeks ago as a trial run, and I'm going to tell you something. The two of these together, oh my gosh. You won't believe how tasty. Okay, now we're going to put his hot and spicy on. And these two together, like I said, are awesome, guys. I pad this in. I don't rub it in. I pat it in. I think that's the proper way to doing it. Got to get these bones, too. This is where the flavor's at. Okay, flip it over. Get the top. This, the hot and spicy is a little more coarse, which I like. I love that look. I know my wife's getting a good shot of that, so I'm sure you can see the difference between the two rubs. Let's get some more of this stuff. This is awesome stuff. Okay guys, we're at our smoker. We're going to put our pork butt on. I'll grab it here. Get it on my smoker here. Let's see, put it like that. Okay. And my first pack of baby back ribs here. Okay, and like I said, we're going to get our chicken on in a little while. These are going to take about 5 to 6 hours, and we'll put our chicken on. It takes about 2.5 to 3 hours, and then we'll put our sausage on, which takes about 2 hours too. So we'll get this started, and we'll get back with you in a little bit. Okay guys, we're going to do our chicken now, and we're going to use the seasoning on this chicken, which I've used before, which is awesome, and there's very few stores sell it. It's called Everglades Fish and Chicken. When I used to live in Florida, they have it, and we found it at public supermarkets up here, and I haven't found it anywhere else, but I'm going to tell you something. If you get your hands on this, I know you can go online and get it, but if you get your hands on this stuff right here, it is absolutely incredible on chicken. So we got some little chicken wings here, some drumettes and some flats, and we're going to put this on it. I'm telling you what, you eat this smoked, and you won't even believe it. I've tried many rubs before, and I'll tell you, it's hard to beat. Okay, guys, I'm not going to bore you. We'll flip these over, do the other side, and we'll meet you out on the smoker in just a few minutes, okay? Okay, folks, we're out the smokers with our chicken wings. It's been about 2.5 hours, and we need to get these chicken wings on with some with our kielbasa sausage. So we're gonna go ahead and put them on now. Take a little peek at that, guys. How's that for some nice looking chicken wings? And that's done with the Everglades fish and chicken. Okay, I'm gonna put them on my hands and I'm gonna straighten them up. Well, that's some good looking chicken right there. I'll tell you what, I can't wait to eat those. Nice. Okay. Now I'm putting my kielbasa up on this top rack. Yeah, easily cooks pretty good up there. We got a smoker full of food, buddy. And I've got some baked beans that I did, homemade. Put all the kind of ingredients, and I'll get back on that later on. And this is what it looks like, guys. Nice ribs. I'll be wrapping these very shortly. And my pork butt's coming along, temp about 145. So we got a little bit of ways yet, guys. And we'll get back with you in just a little bit and show you the rest of it. Okay, guys, we're back out at smoker. We're gonna wrap these ribs now. I just want you to see the color on them. At Rich's River Dirt, look at the color of these ribs. I'm telling you what, these guys are they're gonna be awesome. We're gonna put a little apple juice on these. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. Back on. These things have receded not too bad. They're gonna be super tender. I poked into them with a probe a minute ago just to temperature test them, and I'm gonna tell you something. They were super tender when I probed them. Okay, guys. Gotta take a little peek at this. There's some good looking food there, guys. I'll tell you right now. That's gonna be some good food. I'll tell you what, I'll catch you when it gets a little closer. Hey guys, I just want to show you a couple things. Pork butt just hit 160 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this thing. I'm gonna put a little bit of apple juice on it. Wrap this. And before I wrap that, I want to show you real quickly some of the stuff on the grill here, the smoker. My chicken is looking really good. It's temping out about 145, so got about another, I don't know, good half hour or so. My ribs are looking good. My baked beans are looking good, and my sausage is also just getting close, getting very close, guys. We'll bring you back in a little bit. Talk to you in a few. Hey guys, we're gonna sauce our ribs up now. I just pulled them off the smoker. Guys, these things, watch this. That's so tender. I almost couldn't get them off the smoker, and I got to put them on their back yet. I hope I didn't overcook these, but anyway, we're going to sauce them up. They were just super tender ribs from the get-go. I mean, they were just cut beautifully from the butcher. And by the way, this is Sweet Baby Ray's. Sweet and spicy. They're really good. I can't wait to eat this food, guys. This food is really going to be super good tonight. Sorry for my voice, guys. If I sound a little funny tonight, I've had some real bad allergies. I just didn't want to, and my ears been clogged up. I hardly can hear myself talk. So we're going to get these done and stick them back on for a little bit more. I'm not going to let them go too long, just enough to tighten up that sauce. And then after that, we're going to pull them. Wow, they're so tender. Look at that. Just look at that. I can almost push my finger right through them. Okay. We'll catch you in a few, guys. I'm going to stick it back on. Hey, guys. I wanted to show you my barbecue sampler plated up. It turned out fantastic, guys. I'm telling you right now, that is a picture right there. Those ribs and the chicken and that pulled pork and the sausage came out unbelievable. First of all, before I taste test this, I want to show you my wife made some, we smoked these baked beans, and she made some homemade coleslaw. And I'm telling you what, I tasted both those off camera, and I'm telling you what, they're outstanding. She can really make some sides. Okay, guys, I'll tell you what, I'm going to delve into this stuff because I just can't wait. I've been waiting all day. That smell's been killing me. I wish you could be here to smell this. I want to tell you real quickly, though, on the ribs, we used the Rich's River Dirt. And on my pork, I pre-seasoned it with the, it's incredible. And I used their rib rub on it. And I'm telling you what, a little off camera is fantastic. And that sausage is to kill for. But the post oak is my main, what I want to tell you about. I was talking to Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue about it. He said, Joe, try it. It's really, really good. It's awesome. You got to try it. It's the best wood that I've ever used. I mean, I've used hickory and cherry and pecan. And I'm going to tell you something. The post oak by far is the better taste. Okay, so let's just dive into this, guys. I'm starving. Here's my ribs. Nice little bark. Okay. Oh my God, look at that. Falling apart. Wow. That post oak, Emery, you're gonna really like it. Oh, wow. Okay. I wish I could eat those right now. It tastes like those chickens. There's some smoked chicken, guys. Look at that. Look at that tender. Falling apart. Oh my gosh. And by the way, I failed to mention, on the chicken wings, I used Everglades fish and chicken rub. And I'm going to tell you something, out of this world, you got to try it. Okay, let's get to our pulled pork here. I'm going to show you a little bark on it. Oh my gosh. That's delicious, Anne-Marie. You're going to really like that. I'm going to tell you, I can't say nothing about that post oak. I kind of wish I would use it all along because it's that good. Let's try a piece of the sausage. Little snap. Wow. It's pretty good. That's really good. That's good. They're all good. I'll tell you what, those ribs. Well, guys, just want to tell you, today I cooked on my Pico smoker and maintained about 250 degrees. Like I said, I used the post oak for wood. It kind of was a chilly day here, but I'll tell you what, that little Pico smoker for a store-bought one, awesome. All the modifications I did to it, I got a video on it, watch it. It just made that smoker, it just cooks incredible food. And guys, I got nothing else to tell you, but I really appreciate you. As far as my subscribers, you guys have been wonderful to me. Great comments, awesome comments from all of you. And I appreciate all you two, my friends. I love all of you guys. You're awesome and girls. And I want to tell you, if you ain't a grilling, you ain't a chilling. God bless you, everybody.